We create and promote digital media literacy tools. Our goal is to identify disinformation, to verify disinformation by publishing fact-checkings. We also are trying to raise awareness and to educate the general public on how to verify information, how to be aware of several types of disinformation that they can encounter online. The most promoted disinformation narratives are related to the war in Ukraine, I would say, the climate change, and also to certain topics related to, I would say, European Union approvals of food ingredients, or even the COVID pandemic, which are still very popular topics that disinformation narratives usually promote. From our readers and from our followers, we receive feedback, and we receive positive feedback. We engage with them and we ask them about what relevant topics they think we should verify or analyze or publish information about. So yes, we engage, and I think this is a very important part, to engage with our followers.